Damn. Yeah.
What's up, everyone? Two Brothers Mining here, back with another daily crypto news recap. So Canada is spiraling out of control, in my opinion. The Royal Canadian Mounted Police is looking into the CEO of Coinbase and Kraken. What's their names? Brian Armstrong and Jesse Powell, for advocating for self-custodial wallets. So if you guys haven't been following it, last week Canada police forces ordered all regulated financial institutions, including crypto exchanges, to cease trading and freeze assets of these people involved in the trucker protests. And with that, they were able to blacklist a bunch of crypto wallets along with that. So after that happened, the CEO of Kraken and Coinbase tweeted out, well, just use self-custodial wallets. Easy peasy, right? That should be the way that it is. But the authorities in Canada don't like that. They want to have the control. Saying that, the Canadian authorities say that they're offering advice on how to evade the sanctions on the funds. I don't know. How can you sanction somebody's money? I mean, sure, if it's stolen, obtained illegally, sure. But if it's yours, I don't know, man. That seems like a little bit of overreach. So the representatives from Kraken and Coinbase have said that they're going to comply with the law of freezing these accounts, but they claim that it's unjust. Money shouldn't be censored, and users should have protection. I agree 1000% with this. Just because the government doesn't like it, I mean, it's protests. They happen everywhere. If you're in the US, it's been happening a lot recently. The fact that they go on to freeze your bank accounts and your crypto exchange wallets, it's just unbelievable, if you ask me. It's rough. Canada is getting a little out of hand, in my opinion. So the Brazilian Senate committee approves a bill regulating crypto transactions. They passed the bill today to regulate crypto transactions. This is after shelving two other bills that were introduced. So the bill presented creates the label virtual service providers for crypto companies, which will be subject to criminal liability for violations against the Brazilian financial system. It also keeps the Securities and Exchange Commission from supervising the Brazilian crypto ecosystem, except for ICOs, or initial coin offerings. The bill also proposes joint overview of crypto between the Brazilian Central Bank and the Tax Collection Agency. And a cool thing that I thought is that until 2029, the bill exempts the taxation purchases of machinery and software for processing, converting, and mining cryptocurrencies by companies that neutralize 100% of emissions. Awesome. Huge tax break, huge incentive to go carbon neutral. Pretty awesome, if you ask me. And now on to the nitty-gritty stuff. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies fall on mounting Russia-Ukraine tensions. Putin is out of his mind. Digital currencies fell this morning. They since recovered a little bit with the tensions growing. Putin claimed that a few areas in Ukraine would be independent, but quickly ordered a bunch of troops into the region. So I don't know if he's trying to pull a fast one or what he's trying to do, but it doesn't seem great for having civilized talks here. And the move is fueling not just the crypto market. If you look into the stock market around the globe, it's not doing great. And I think a lot of it has to do with the fear of a full-scale war breaking out. And until things settle down or kick off, who knows what's going to happen. The article goes on to say that Bitcoin has been touted the digital gold, and that it's not really, it's following more with traditional markets, and I think it has more to do with a lot of more institutional investors getting in it. It's going to start to follow the traditional markets then. Also goes on to say that we're probably in a crypto winter, and most likely the next bull run is until 2024 when the next halving is. Again, my personal opinion, I don't think it's going to be that long, but who knows. My reasoning for it is that there's much more money in it now. A lot of institutional investors are in the market. A lot of big money from companies, venture capitalists, and so I don't think it'll take that long till 2024 to see another bull run. Will it be as crazy of a bull run that we saw last year? Who knows? But I think if we hit a true winter, we'll have rebounded fairly well by the end of the year. My personal opinion, no financial advice there. But we'll just have to wait and see. I'm not an expert in any way. It's just the way I feel about it. And so, obviously market has come back a little bit. Again, I really only look at this for you guys. I'm not too worried about what the dollar amount of any of my holdings are. It's a long-term thing for me. The less I look at it, the better I feel. So take that with a grain of salt. That's just kind of what I do. But just want to say thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back tomorrow with another daily crypto news recap. Stay safe and stay tuned.